The Lanka Premier League was a T20 cricket competition in Sri Lanka. It was intended to be the premier T20 league in the country, held by Sri Lanka Cricket, when it replaced the Inter-Provincial T20 competition. After the 2011 season was postponed, its first season was held in 2012. The 2013 and 2014 seasons were cancelled due to organizational problems and lack of sponsorship. The 2014 Super 4's T20 replaced the tournament. A new competition called Lanka Premier League was later created and ran its first season in 2020. In May 2011, Sri Lanka Cricket announced a new franchise-based T20 tournament in the country, modelled on the Indian Premier League. The SLC signed a deal with Somerset Entertainment Ventures to organise the tournament. 7 teams were allocated, each representing a province. Somerset Entertainment Ventures have been given the rights to run the event for 15 years. The first tournament was to be held at R. Premadasa Stadium in Colombo between 19 July and 4 August. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.